Oh, I didn't know it was this person. One mic. Don't go. Don't
Let me peek.
No.
Let me peek. I can see through your hair.
No, you can't. Hold on.
Let me look.
Fuck my life.
Belgium.
Your mom.
Let me fucking.
Your
No,
mom.
yeah, my mom. Can I
Your mom.
look?
Hi, Mom. Hey. All I need is one mic. Your mom. One mic. My mom. Hey.
I just snorted.
Oh, yeah, motherfucker. I don't know the words.
Hey. Chihuahua, wale, unchi bang bang. Chihuahua, wale, unchi bang bang.
Told you like it.
Unchi bang bang. You really want that day? Turn me out. You really got me. Scream and shout. Go down south. Oh shit.
Yeah. Sleep hyper. See, I don't know the words.
It's been so long.
I just wanted the song.
Lucha bang bang.
Lucha bang bang. We need singing. Hold on, but there's a part I want. I don't remember what it is. That might be
I can't
it.
remember the shit.
I know what we.
Did you say a long-legged hoe?
I don't know. We know this song. Wait.
Chihuahua, wale, unchi bang bang. Unchi bang bang.
Was it? Didn't you know this? Nope. Nope. Didn't you know some of this?
Some of what?
I'm trying to find an ABC song.
No fucking ABC song. Please, no.
Fucking
No
dog
Fox song either.
Bump.
No.
Slob on
A knob and corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job.
Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name. Sex is my game. Let's call the boys. Let's run a train. Squeeze on my nuts. Lick on my butt. Clear. Please don't touch. I fucking can't with you. Second, find a place. Third, find a bag to hide the no face.
I can't
Said
remember.
bend over.
Turn that way.
Then came the odor. What the fuck? And take a douche. Suck a nigga dick or something.
Suck a nigga dick or something.
Suck a nigga dick or something. Suck a nigga dick or something. Hold on. Gonna be a freak in Hollywood. Sucks on dick. Does it real good. She'll give you money. Feel of your tummy. They don't do it. Parents all show me. Once I had
I
down,
can't see that
background
shit.
ground. Enjoy this sound. Late on the cover. Always use a rubber. She blamed it on me. We fought in the street. She pulled out a knife. Whoa, so I had to flee. Oh. Went to her house. This is kind of violent. Bust in. We left just in time and never came back. Rolled through the hood, waving at the freaks. Rocks. And smoking all the geeks. Made another shot because it doesn't do it fast enough. Saw a few cops. Drove up and sprayed on what? A nigga say he saw. Bogus all the time. Never get ready. Slap on my cat. No one knows that. Check in with me and do that. And I know you're from the streets. My nigga, hurry T. It's a girl now. Slap on my cat. No, you know it's fat. Ew, why would you want a fat pussy?
That's the new thing now.
A fat pussy?
Yeah, now it is, yeah.
Ew, but this is like fucking 80s.
It was like that back then. It's coming back. The fucking fat shit, we can see the fucking
Hey,
camel toe.
she didn't have shit. Oh my god, I almost wore pants today to show that, and then I did out of respect. I didn't wear them.
No, but that's like the thing now.
Yeah,
It's
but out of
supposed to be
respect,
hot.
I didn't wear them. I was like, yeah, no, I don't think this is really appropriate.
For me, it would have been.
Yeah, but
Duh.
does it real good. Sucks, does it real good. Sucks on dick. Does it real good. Sucks on dick. Does it real good. Wow. Somebody asked on one of my things, is there really such thing as bad head? Yes, there is. Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Freak horse
You
bitch.
remember, it's an art, right?
Yes. In my niggas cheek, trying to spit some game. I'm spitting. Late on the color. My natural hair, she loved it. What?
This is not
Please
the same
don't
words.
touch it. Please don't touch it.
I'm gonna touch it.
Now she's in dick. Oh, wait, click.
Click the dick.
Click a dicka. Never got caught. Does it real good. Sucks on dick.
Does it
That's
real
probably
good.
the last stuff of
Sucks
it.
on dick.
There's
Does it real
there's like 10 more seconds of probably suck on your dick. She does it real good. Sucks on your dick. Does it real good. Does it real good. Does it real good. Does it real good.
And on that note,
Does
does
it
it real
good.
good.